identifying independent and dependent quantities from tables and graphs. The following problems are set up to make it quite easy to identify both of these. However, before I show you that, let me first explain how you would understand the relationship between the two. So let's take a look at the graph. First, you want to ask yourself, does the test score depend on the number of hours studied? Or do the number of hours studied depend on the test score? Correct. The test score depends on the number of hours studied. Therefore, the test score is the dependent variable and the number of hours studied is the independent variable. Now, does the car's age in years depend on the car's price in dollars? Or does the car's price in dollars depend on the car's age in years? Correct. The car's price in dollars depends on the car's age in years. What you should have noticed here is that in both cases, the x values represent the independent variables and the y values represent the dependent variables. Now let's take a look at the explanations down below. So in this problem, again, we know that the x-axis or x value will always be the independent variable, again, the number of hours studied, and the y values, the y which are on the y-axis, will always represent the dependent variable, which we said is the test score. In the table, again, we determined that the x value will always be the independent variable, which again is the car's age in years, and the y value will always be the dependent variable, which again is the car's price in dollars.